Now this is your homework part. Run this without or with strict mode. Okay, so one thing now you need to remember is that inside function the value of this depends on the strict or non-strict mode. Okay, means if this is inside the function, then the value of this depends on whether it is called inside with the strict mode or non-strict mode. Now we are encountering our case 3, which is this inside a object. Okay, objects method, sorry, this here we are using this inside this object method x. Okay, now we are here trying to print the value of this line by calling the object with this x method. Okay, so let me show you its output. After running, its output is like this. Its output. Now you will form this conclusion: the value of this inside the object's method is that object itself where it is present. Okay, the value of this is same as this object. Okay, and one modification if I do that, instead of this I am doing here this dot a. Now if I try to run and show it to you its output, then it will be little bit different than the previous one. Its output is this 10 here, which is this a value. Okay, we are encountering our case 4, which is this inside the arrow function. Okay, now we are trying to accessing this value. Okay, so although it will behave like the lexical inclusion context, although I am showing its output to you, this thing, if I am trying to take this dot a, then it is giving me output like undefined. Now your homework is that go to the documentation and search this term lexical inclusion context and read about this, and then you will get to know better. Now this in case of the nested arrow function means the function inside the another function. Okay, function inside the another function, and we are trying to access its value. Now you must note this thing carefully, that this in case of nested arrow function behaves similar to that of previous case of lexical inclusion context. It will behave like the similar to this previous case that you have seen before. Now we are left with the 3 cases of this in case of DOM, and this in case of classes and constructors. DOM. Okay, this is your homework. Go and identify inside the documentation part. That's all for your this keyword use.